Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is December the 28th, 2018, the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. Now we're going to talk about Jcpenney becoming a penny stock now. You guys have definitely been following this particular company. It has been in a very severe downtrend. And now we're going to ask you all the question, is Jcpenney stock now a buy since it is falling below $1? Okay, for those of you who do not understand what a penny stock is, it is literally shares or stocks of a company that are trading below $1. In some instances, some people might even say below $5. Okay, so it definitely resembles the fact that a company is a little bit more riskier, considering the fact that it is trading below $1 and the liquidity of the particular company is in stake as well. So a lot of people kind of stray away from trading penny stocks, and considering that this once formidable company, brick and mortar company, is now trading below $1, I want to ask you all the question, is now the opportunity to come in and pick up some of this Jcpenney shares in the market? Okay, this is an article on the left side of my screen written by the New York Post by Lisa. The title of the article reads, Jcpenney becomes penny stock after shares dip to 97 cents. It was posted yesterday, December 27, 2018. We're going to go ahead and pull out some of this statements that was written in this article, and to make sure that it actually correlates to the price chart, because as an organization we only focus on the price charts. Okay, so we definitely look at the price chart as the truth, and we look at articles, videos as hypotheses or opinions of certain individuals, and we need to make sure that their opinions correlates or makes sense to the price chart, because if they diverge and they do not correlate one with another, then again that article, that video, or that opinion from that individual is not accurate. The truth is always listed on the price chart. So now let's go ahead and get started, and let's see what the market or this article is speaking on regarding Jcpenney. Now, shares of the alien department store chain crashed on Thursday, yesterday, dipping as low as 92 cents before closing down 7.5% at 97 cents. The first time they've ever closed below $1 since the company went public in the late 1970s. That is a very long time for Jcpenney to not trade below $1. The revenues declined 5.8%. These are some of the reasons why Jcpenney stock is trading below $1. The revenues has declined almost 6% to 2.65 billion, and the comparable sales from last year fell almost 4.5%. Okay, so all those two numbers there are a negative. This is what Gerald Storch of Storch Advisors told the New York Post. They are closer to the edge. Jcpenney has just 1 year, 52 weeks, to show the market that it can sell merchandise that the people want to buy. Jcpenney literally is going the same way as Sears. They failed to realize or grab onto the technological advances of the internet, just like Amazon has done. They have not joined the ranks as Walmart is trying to do now with online retail. Jcpenney did not see that coming, and now they're behind the 8 ball, and they're trying to play catch up, or at least not file for bankruptcy. Okay. The last quarter, the company said it was forced to heavily discount merchandise that was not selling. Jcpenney lowered its sales guidance for the year, and it even withdrew its earnings guidance. So it is definitely a negative thing once a company disregards giving its earning guidance in the future. Okay, that is not a positive thing to see. As a matter of fact, that kind of hinges on the fact that Jcpenney is going to be filing for bankruptcy in the near term, or relatively soon, considering that they're not going to give out earning guidance because of such negativity that is around this company. Okay, so those were just some of the things I just wanted to show you all about this particular company. We're going to go ahead and look at the price chart for Jcpenney stock to see if the correlation is still here in the market. Okay, so we got a lot of negativity for Jcpenney on that New York Post article. We should be able to see that on the price chart. Now, this is the monthly chart for the Jcpenney stock, and you can see it goes all the way back to 1969. The market came and hit that low 1979 around $4.50, probably was the lowest it's gotten. The market has never been below $1 on Jcpenney stock. It's currently up 3.01%, trading exactly at $1 as I am recording this video. The market is still in a very severe downtrend. The market is not indicating, the price chart is not indicating market strength for Jcpenney's. Okay, so the continuation to the downside is still there. I wouldn't expect to see Jcpenney move to the upside unless some news comes out that they're being bought out, or they're able to sell some of their brick and mortar companies, their real estate, to alleviate some of the debt that is due 2023. Until then, just expect this continuation to the downside for Jcpenney stock. And as well, the market can hold some consolidation, but I mean, the factor is Jcpenney can go nowhere but to zero. Okay, so trading at $1, that is not that far from being to zero. Now, there's still a huge risk to actually think that this is an opportunity to come in and buy the market in Jcpenney, considering the fact that they are losing revenue, they have withdrawn their earning guidance, and the fact that they have a huge amount of debt that is due 2023. So they're not able to sell their real estate from their brick and mortar company or their establishments, then Jcpenney will file for bankruptcy and possibly try to get bought out by someone else. But who would want to buy Jcpenney stock or the company when there is no assets necessarily to gain except for the real estate portion of the company? Okay, and considering the fact that many of the global economic world is trading online now, what would one need to do with a brick and mortar company such as Jcpenney? So now, weekly chart for Jcpenney continues to show you that we are still showing indications of market weakness. There is no strength coming into this particular stock at this point in time. Still seeing indication that Jcpenney is going to be trading as a penny stock for the formidable future. Okay, so let's see what's going on the daily price chart for Jcpenney. You still can see here that we just got through with a major decrease over the last couple of days for Jcpenney stock. Has been a very severe downtrend, and the market has even broken right there at that dollar and a nickel price that we've seen on the 15th of November, where a lot of volume came in. We broke to the downside. We're still not able to close above it. So overwhelmingly, Jcpenney stock is still, from the price chart, not a buy. We definitely need to see some more positive news come out for this particular stock before it will reverse course. So the question to you now is Jcpenney, the shares of this particular company, a buy? Give us your thoughts. Leave us a comment in the comment section of this video and give us your facts or your statements as to why you think it is a buy. And if you don't think so, what do you think needs to happen in order for Jcpenney to start seeing some increases to the upside in price? Or do you think Jcpenney is on its last leg? We definitely would like to know your opinion. This gives you the opportunity to come and let us know, how do you feel about Jcpenney? I know a lot of people do not necessarily speak on this particular company, but it just goes to show you that those once viable, strong companies back in the 1970s, 1980s are dying out. And if these companies were in the forefront and willing to accept the technological changes and apply it to their business structure, then they will still be around. Jcpenney did not do that. Sears did not do that. So now you can see the result of you not being able to adapt to the changes of the environment or the economic landscape. Okay, so Jcpenney, the price chart is correlated with what the New York Post has written. A lot of negativity across the board, and we're still not seeing Jcpenney actually moving higher in price. It might just hold some consolidation, but it looked like it's going to be trading as a penny stock for some time. And if we don't get any positivity coming to the market, like this New York Post stated, within a year or so, then again you will expect bankruptcy to be issued, or at best just completely shutting the doors. So give us your thoughts, give us your opinions. If this is your first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you like and share this content as well, because this is very easy to distinguish between what is opinion and what is fact. Price chart is the facts, articles are the opinions. Make sure that you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.